Hey everyone, I want to give out a way too straightforward way of telling whether or not one string is inside the other. If you check this out, there are two things that I don't like about this program. Number one, you see this part here, in fact, we shouldn't have put in the first place. And if you did check out my previous solution on this exercise, which is here, by the way, exercise 4.22, then you would notice that we had this part, right, where we checked whether or not the first string is greater than the second string in terms of size, right? That was unnecessary. I put it though, right? I did it on purpose because sometimes, like student A, he happens to do things that are unnecessary. For instance, this case, this here was validating, right? And there's absolutely no need to check whether or not a second string is greater than the first one, because either way, at the end of the day, we are gonna know. We're not gonna know. That's not gonna help us, right? Because at the end of the day, we're still gonna have to do the checking, right? Even if the second string is greater than the first one. Basically, regardless of its size, at the end of the day, we're gonna have to check it using the contains method, which is exactly what I don't wanna use on this exercise here, right? On this solution here. So basically, I'm collecting the two. Basically, I've already collected the two strings. So now what I want to write is S1. Wait. I zoomed in again. Okay, so S1 is how do I want to put this? Okay, I want to go S1 is, then I want to concatenate that with this. Okay, so what I'll simply do, I'll use the index of method, right? Basically what it does is, okay, so I'll go S1 dot index of, it will give me an index of the second string, given that it does contains that second string. And if it doesn't, it will give me -1. And that will tell us, in fact, that is the exact thing we'll use to determine whether or not that string is within, second string is within the first one. So if that is the case, then we will know that we're supposed to put a note there, okay? So if string 1 dot index of string 2 gives us a -1, then we know that string 1 is not inside string 2, otherwise it is inside. Okay, I'll simply concatenate that with is not. I'll just go substring of S1. Done. I hope people are clear here. Right, I'm basically saying I'm displaying string 2 and then going is. Now I'm checking whether the index of method, if I call it if I call it on S1 and I pass it S2, by doing that I'm basically checking whether by doing that this method will simply give me an index of my second string. However, if that second string is not a substring of S1, it will simply return a -1. So what I'm doing is I'm checking if the returned value is -1, and if that indeed is the case, I'll then display not. So basically I'll have S2 is not a substring of S1. Otherwise I would have S2 is a substring of S1. Okay, let's hit the run button and see what we get. Something like John Wick. Now let's just go HN.